Are you ready to embrace a healthier, kinder, eco-friendlier life? Going vegan is more than changing your diet, it's about adopting a caring and responsible lifestyle. Whether driven by love for animals, personal health, or environmental reasons, veganism offers a wealth of benefits. Join me on this enlightening path to discover the positive impacts of a vegan lifestyle. Why veganism? At its core, veganism is about more than just the food on your plate. It's a holistic approach to living that seeks to exclude, as far as possible, all forms of exploitation of, and cruelty to, animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose. The vegan lifestyle is a conscious choice to live with empathy and responsibility, recognizing our capability to make significant positive changes for animals, our health, and the planet. The health benefits of going vegan. Adopting a vegan diet comes with an array of health benefits. Studies have shown that vegans tend to have lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. A plant-based diet is rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while being lower in saturated fats. By choosing vegan, you're not only aiding animals and the environment, but significantly boosting your well-being. The environmental impact. Adopting a vegan diet significantly benefits the environment by reducing deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. It's a meaningful step to lower our ecological impact and help combat climate change, preserving the planet for the future. Navigating the transition. Starting a vegan lifestyle can be rewarding with proper education on nutrition and discovering diverse, tasty recipes. It's about making progress and compassionate choices with each meal. Seeking perfection. Your guide to a cruelty-free diet. To assist you in this transition, we offer a comprehensive guide, packed with information, tips, and resources to make adopting a vegan lifestyle as smooth as possible. From understanding the basics of vegan nutrition to meal planning and preparation, we cover everything you need to know to embrace veganism confidently. Plus, our guide includes bonus materials like a cheat sheet, mind map, and resource guide to keep you informed and inspired. Choosing to go vegan is a profound decision that benefits animals, your health, and the planet. With the right approach and mindset, anyone can embark on this rewarding path. Our guide is here to support you every step of the way, providing you with the knowledge and tools needed to live a fulfilling and compassionate vegan lifestyle. Welcome to the rewarding journey of veganism. Your guide to going vegan. Get instant access. Product link in the description. Embark on this life-changing journey towards health, compassion, and sustainability. Take the first step today.